Hello, my name is Michael Cheney, and I'm doing the project of naming the folder and importing the files into After Effects. First thing we need to do is make a folder. We have our files right here, and in order to make a folder, you right-click and make a new folder. Usually I like to press down Control and then click because it's easier. Then you name it correctly by putting your last name, which is Cheney, and then AE. There you go. Now you put your files inside, and you have your files inside. You can put it any way you want to. Okay. Now I hid my After Effects, so let's look at it. There you go. Now to make a new composition, you can either make a what's a new project, but you can make a new composition going over here. The composition name can be your first project. That doesn't entirely matter as long as you can find it later. The preset is your type, basically the format of your file. Right here it can be HD TV, which is really good for TVs, NTSC, PAL. PAL is mainly used in like Europe. Everything else is NTSC. And then you have the resolution. You can make it go up or down. You can just make it 720. That's fine. And then the pixel aspect ratio. Just keep it how it is. It's good. It's aspect ratio is kind of hard to explain. Frames per second. Regular films actually do their frames per second by 24 frames per second, but regular camcorders use 30 frames per second, and we'll just keep it that way. Now resolution, don't be fooled by this. If you put it on full, you'll be editing the project using full resolution, and the reason why it's not good is because you need to edit the project. So it's always going to be rendering all the time if you leave the resolution on full. You should put it on half or third because that makes it a lot easier to edit. It makes things faster. The start time code, leave it on 0 because you're starting your time code on 0, and duration is the length of your project. So just press OK. And there's project, but we don't have any files. So we're going to import our files. We can either do file or multiple files. You can do it, anyway. And here's my folder. It's on desktop, Cheney AE. That one. Or you can hold down Command and click multiple and import. And there you go. You get the files inside. And the folder is named correctly, Cheney AE. Thank you for watching my video.